Today, we will explore the Interface Segregation Principle. The Interface Segregation Principle states that a class should not be forced to implement methods it doesn't need. In other words, a class should have small, focused interfaces rather than large monolithic ones. This helps to avoid unnecessary dependencies and ensure that classes only implement the methods they actually need. Now, let's see a code snippet before applying the Interface Segregation Principle. We start with an interface named device containing three methods. Turn-on method represents the basic functionality of turning a device on. Adjust settings method designed for devices that have adjustable settings. However, the adjust settings method isn't relevant for all devices like a simple light switch. Next, we have the turn-off method that represents the basic functionality of turning a device off. Two classes, light switch and television, implement the device interface. Light switch implements all three methods of the device interface even though it doesn't need the adjust settings method. In light switch, the adjust settings method contains an exception or warning indicating that it doesn't make sense for a light switch to have adjustable settings. Television implements all three methods of the device interface including adjust settings, which is relevant for a television. The light switch class is forced to implement adjust settings even though it doesn't have that functionality. It needs to handle this case with an exception or a warning. Now let's see code snippet after applying Interface Segregation Principle. We refactor the code by introducing two new interfaces: controllable device and configurable device. Controllable device interface contains two methods, turn on and turn off, representing basic control functionalities. Configurable device interface extends controllable device and adds the adjust settings method representing configuration functionalities. Light switch class now implements the controllable device interface reflecting its basic control functionalities. Television class now implements the configurable device interface, reflecting its control and configuration functionalities. With this refactoring, each class implements only the interfaces relevant to its functionalities, adhering to the Interface Segregation Principle. In the refactored code, Light Switch class no longer implements the unnecessary adjust settings method, avoiding confusion and unnecessary complexity. The code becomes more organized and easier to understand by separating basic control and configuration functionalities into distinct interfaces. The Interface Segregation Principle promotes better design practices, leading to cleaner, more maintainable code. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming insights.